Hello, it's Gary Peplow out here with Yucaipa CERT again, and uh, I wanted to show you this. We were asked to deploy some of our resources to the line fire by CalFire, and they just wanted to make sure that there were no hotspots left. What you'll see on this video, which is really cool, is you'll see places where they're still putting it out, and then you'll be able to see the hose work. You'll be see people moving around. And so I thought it'd be interesting, but it's also a great way to look at infrared ways to detect things. So I just thought I'd let you know that this was really cool that CERT was able to go out and help with CalFire on the line fire to make sure that all the hotspots were out. But it's also a training video, so people who watch it will know what it looks like.